I have a new sticker! 5-year-old Brent is pretty excited. Stay tuned for my first unboxing video. All right, welcome to Go Far with Brent. I'm Brent. As I alluded to, I'm unboxing something today, but we're going to do more than just unboxing it. We're going to use it, and this is going to be a time-lapse, I don't know, not a two-part, but at least a time-lapse video where we start it, and then I put some miles on the bike, and then we'll do a follow-up all in one video. So there'll just be a break in the middle of it. Anyway, what I have in front of me is the Oil and Transmission Magnetic Dipstick Kit from Figurati Designs. So they changed their logo. It now says Performance Motorcycle with an F, and that's the sticker. Performance Motorcycle, pretty fancy. So I'm going to reposition the camera. We'll unbox this, and then we'll install it on Princess Fiona. All right, here we are. Here is as it is received. There's a piece of cardboard around it, so no cheating. I couldn't cut it open and take a look at it before showing it to you. So guess what? We're going to open it and see it at the same time. So this is the knurled silver cap style. I figured that's the one that would probably go best with the chrome and black on Princess Fiona, my 2022 Road Glide Limited. So let's go ahead and open the box and we'll see what's inside. All right. Well, there we have it. So this is a magnetic dipstick. And the whole reason I bought this is to help remove any iron or steel particulates from the oil as I ride the bike. So this kit comes with the engine dipstick and the transmission dipstick. It'll be interesting seeing how these install on my bike because I have the fan cooler system that goes with Harley-Davidson touring bikes to help keep the temperatures down. So it has the normal, height markings that you would normally have for Harley-Davidson dipsticks, but there's a rare earth high power magnet. In theory, it will pull any metal debris onto the dipstick and keep it from going other places in the bike. So what I've done is I am just about time for an oil change. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in and put a couple 100 miles on and see how much this picks up from dirty oil. So that's it. From a quality standpoint, there's the F right there in the Figurati Designs name put around it. So that's the oil one. And then this is the one for the transmission. So same logo, Figurati Designs. They have a whole bunch of different styles. They have a knurled one. They have one with scallops all the way around, multiple different colors. They come in both aluminum and stainless steel. So this is the one I chose because I felt it would look the best on the bike. All right, let's go ahead and install it. Okay, before I go ahead and install this on the bike, I do want to show you what the back of the packaging looks like. So you can pause this, zoom in, read it. I was like a little kid at Christmas. I just wanted to open my present. Anyway, this is the description of what comes with the kit. So there's the engine oil magnetic dipstick and the transmission fluid dipstick. They have, like I said, high power rare earth magnets. Evidently, the engine oil is 2000 Gauss neodymium magnet, and then the transmission is 1500 Gauss neodymium magnet. So I hope it will pull out crud and iron and whatever, just like it shows in the pictures on the right. Here we are down at the oil dipstick and the transmission dipstick. First thing we do is we need to remove the originals. So the original transmission oil dipstick is 3/8 Allen, or hex key. So let me go ahead and loosen that. We'll go ahead and remove that one. We'll set it on this paper towel I have. And then the same with the engine oil dipstick. Okay, like I said at the beginning, my motorcycle has the cool flow fan, and what this fan is for is to pull heat away from the rear cylinder and force it down away from both the rear passenger peg and then also the rider. So I'm curious to see how well these fit with the cool flow fan in place. So to start with, let's go ahead and do the, there you go, now you can see it, the transmission. So let's see how that fits in there. Oh, just fine. That drops straight down. There's the transmission. Now let's do the engine oil. This one does not fit so well. Oh, there we go. Takes a little bit of effort. I may end up trimming the edge of this so it fits a little straighter, but it's going to be interesting when it comes time to check the oil because it won't come out quite so easy as the original. All right, there we have it. There is the oil dipstick, the transmission dipstick. We'll go ahead and run a few hundred miles and we'll come back and see how much debris they picked up. All right, welcome back. So to you, it just was a quick transition from when I installed them, but I've put 260 miles on the bike, and this is right at the end of the oil life. So I'm at just over 45,000 miles. So this is time for the 45,000 mile maintenance. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and check and see how much iron debris has been collected onto both of the dipsticks at the end of the life of the oil. So this is the dirtiest the oil will be. I'm going to reposition the camera and we'll take a look. All right, like when we installed them, let's go ahead and start with the transmission. All right, here we go. Let's take a look. So I do see some darkness, but I don't see any major. There we go. Yeah, we do see a little bit. It's not, yeah, it's just sludge. So this is elemental iron. It is not chunks of any sort. So I guess that's a good sign. Again, this transmission fluid already has 5,000 miles on it. It's not time for a change, but yeah, here it is at 5,000 miles. Picked up a little bit of elemental iron, but no big chunks. I'm going to wipe this off and put it back in. All right, with the transmission dipstick in place, let's go ahead and check the oil. All right, so as a reminder, this is just before the 45,000 mile maintenance. So with 5,000 miles on the oil, looking to see if there's any debris on the dipstick, it looks pretty clean. So the oil that was in there after, well, I don't know, 260 miles, didn't have any metal debris stuck to the magnet. All right, let's go ahead, wipe this off, and stick it back in. All right, there you have it, the Figurati Designs or Performance Motorcycle Magnetic Dipstick Kit for the oil and transmission on Harley-Davidson M8s. As you saw, this is the aluminum knurled version, and you can get others from their website. I'll put a link in the description to their website where you can see what fits your bike. And you get a new sticker. As you saw from when we did 260 miles at the end of oil life, my dipsticks didn't pick up much. So that could be one of two things. Either it's a good thing that I don't have anything floating around, or it could mean that the oil filter has caught any metal debris up until this point. So regardless, I take it as a positive. There wasn't any metal debris. Everything looked good. It's time for the 45,000 mile service. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Also share it if you like this video. You never know, there might be someone else who wants to know about the Figurati Designs magnetic oil dipstick. Please subscribe to the channel. I always need more subscribers. Hit the bell, you'll be notified of more content. And as always, thanks for watching. Go far with Brent.